Hello doctors, greetings from Younique Dental Innovations. There is a unique products, Younique Endomatrix. So we learn how to use. It's used for quick pre-endo build-up, for quick post-RCF and our class 2 MO, MOD, DO. So how to use? There are 5 different sizes and I am taking one small one. And we have to apply in the premolar for the smallest one like this. Then take artery forceps and tight it according to our need and tight it in any one corner of our tooth. So it's ready to build up. If you want to tight more from the gingival side, then we have to use our wedge. Now I am using this wedge at here. Yeah. Now it's perfect and ready to filling.
या बहुत क्विक है, इजी, एफिशिएंट है, क्योंकि मतलब कुछ ज़्यादा आर्मामेंटेरियम नहीं चाहिए, कुछ भी जैसे सिस्टम या टूल्स किट कुछ नहीं चाहिए. इजीली आप डायरेक्टली अप्लाई कर सकते हो पोस्ट आरसीएफ में या फिर प्री एंडो बिल्डअप में, राइट. सो इट्स रियली अमेजिंग यूनिक प्रोडक्ट. थैंक यू डॉक्टर.